Our second journey in this documentary takes us through the Central Wales line from Llanelli to Craven Arms in Shrewsbury in the county of Shropshire. The original line ran from Llanelli, Llandillo, Llandovey, Llanwrtyd Wells, Builth Road, Llandrindod Wells, Knighton, Craven Arms in Shropshire, Church Stretton and Shrewsbury. Richard Green is again our host and narrator for this unique journey into history.
After about a mile, we swing away from the main Swansea line. The line now follows the River Lochor for several miles. The gaunt silhouette of industrial ruins remind us that this line was built to carry coal to the Midlands and the north. Most of the Central Wales line is single track. At Llandillo, we leave Great Western Metals and enter the London and North Western and Great Western joint line. Llandillo used to be the junction for the Carmarthen line. We now accompany the River Towy with the Black Mountains in the background. Llandovey, end of the joint line and commencement of London and North Western territory. A glimpse of Sugarloaf and then the Singhordy Viaduct. We have a clearer view of Sugarloaf Mountain and other peaks, and then the line curves towards Sugarloaf Tunnel. Brecon beacons loom in the distance as we emerge onto a plateau. We are about to cross the old Mid Wales line. The station buildings are still recognisable, although they are now used as a pub. Llandrindod Wells was once a popular spa, with many special trains bringing people to take the waters. There are some unusual operating procedures on the Central Wales line. Here's one of them. We are now on the longest block section in Britain, 31 miles. We shall be out of touch with the world until we emerge at Craven Arms in an hour's time. We are now in Radnorshire and commence to descend into the valley of the Team. We can now see another of the major engineering works on this line, the Knuckles Viaduct. Across the border into Shropshire. The 10-mile limit sign warns of the very sharp curve as we swing round to join the main Hereford to Shrewsbury line. Soon after leaving Craven Arms, we see the old Bishop's Castle Railway, which was closed in 1929. It's 3 hours since we left Llanelli, but now journey's end is in sight.
Please visit our website for news about new productions that are on the way, and you can support my work on my Patreon page. Thank you.